Shall we execute this script?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what this is? This is the VBox. CD enter. ls. Welcome, right? RBI root.sh. What is this? Echo. Enter name. What
The
we need, guys?
Shebang also we have to write.
Yes, very good. Very good. So what is that?
Hash exclamation
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 bin.
bin bash.
Yes. What is this? So this is the shebang with the bin bash. What is this? Shebang with bin bash. Echo enter your name, read name. Echo enter your age, read age. If
Exclamation will be
age,
there after hash, sana, sir.
yes. Hash is nothing but a command, right? This will not execute. Guys, remember. So exclamatory hash, exclamatory bin bash. So why we using hash before? So hash is the comment line in the Linux. That is the reason hash. Okay. So echo enter name, echo enter age, read age. If age greater than or equal to 18, echo name, you are eligible for the vote. So else echo name, name not eligible for the vote. Okay. Yeah. So something like what is that? This is the date command we executed, right? The same way we are executing the else, if else. WQ chmod plus x o.sh. Okay. So dot slash o.sh. Enter your name, Hari. Enter your age, 32. Syntax error. Near unexpected total, else. So what is this, guys? If age echo dollar name, you
Sir,
are eligible for
after age, sir, echo indentation it is taking.
which one? Yeah, what you need?
I said after else indentation is required for Linux shell script, sir. Like in the similar line, it should be after else that gap and spaces.
So this one now,
Yes.
maybe let's see.
And sir, double inverted comma before echo you have given. It will treat as a comment.
Hmm.
The else after else, sir. See.
Okay. So what is that? So enter age, enter your age. If yeah, so we need so this one age dollar age dollar age, right? So we will give this one. Okay, age greater than GE greater than equal to 8, comma semicolon. Then we need to give then here echo. So echo dollar name you are eligible for vote. Then else echo name you are not eligible for the vote. So this is the syntax. Okay. If we need to give the syntax F5. So what is the end statement? If end is F5. Okay. So this is the Missing. Yes, understood. Missing the semicolon here. Okay. Name equal to high. Age equal to 32. Missing. What is that, guys?
Sir, after
Hmm.
else, sir, see the echo command after else part.
Yeah. Okay. So here missing something. If dollar age space dollar age icon greater than G space. This one also will give the space. Then here also will give the space. Okay. Port array 25. Yeah. So if it is a 25 array, you are eligible for the vote. So vote, enter Durga, age 15. Durga, you are not eligible for the vote. Guys, understood? So if the condition is satisfied, then so this command will execute. Cat, what is that, guys? Vote.sh. So so if the age is greater so less than 18, so this command this statement will execute. So if greater than 18, this statement will execute. Guys, understood?
Yes, but
Guys,
sir, keyboard
hmm.
symbol that greater than and less than symbol will not work in shell script.
Great. Yes, yes, yeah, that will not execute.
Okay, sir.
Less than
Because
greater.
the symbol in the keyboard we have ASCII keywords are not working. That's why I'm
Yes,
saying.
yes, yes, yes. Key words are not working. Okay. Yeah. So what is that? I have a requirement, guys. So the requirement is, so what is this? I will paste you the script here because of you will also understand. So what is the script? The script is, this is the script, guys. So what the script? So bin bash echo enter your name, echo enter age. If greater than, then the echo name is eligible for vote. Echo if you are not eligible for the vote. Guys, I have a requirement. So requirement print good morning for 10 times, guys. So this is my requirement. So how you can print this, guys?
We can
How
write
you
sir
can
10
print this?
times. We can
uh,
write 10 times echo good morning 10 times.
I don't want to. So good morning 10 times, right?
Yes, sir.
If you write the 10 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 10 times. So right. So is there any loop or something like I want to write the 1,000 times. You can write it in the command, write it in the script. I want to
No,
write it in the 10 time, 10,000 times.
no, sir.
So what this is? So approach one is, what is this? Approach. Approach one is like this, right? Approach one is like this. What this is? So this is approach one. So what is the approach two, guys? Approach Approach to. So what is the approach to, guys? So approach to something like if you create a loop, so whatever the something like I want to run from 1 to 10 times. So something like after 11 comes, right, it will exit. So we need to do the loop something like until you reaches the number. For example, 10 times. So good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So 10 times. I need to loop it, right? So what is that, guys? Loop. You can provide the loop statement. Loop. Loop start at 1, end at 1,000 or 10,000. Okay. So how many times this will execute, guys? So how many times this will execute? For example, echo good morning. Guys, how many times this will execute? So I simplified the script. I created a loop and it will end 10,001. It will end the loop. So what this, guys? This is the approach. Loops are